we form a children's group? Good morning, Buzz. Where is Chinu?
Good morning, Meenu. Will Chinu ever wake up so early? Let me go buzz in his ears. Then he will wake up.
No, don't trouble him early in the morning. Let me go and wake him up. Chinu, wake up. Good morning. It is very late. I am going to the village post office to buy stamps for Papa. Wake up and come with me. Good morning, Meenu. Village post office? I will brush my teeth and come fast.
Meenu, why do you have to buy stamps?
Papa has written a letter to his brother who lives in Delhi. Look, it is inside this envelope. We have to stick a stamp on the envelope and then post it.
Can't we post the envelope just like that without pasting a stamp?
No, Buzz. You cannot send a letter without sticking a stamp. We get stamps for different amounts. The uncle in the post office will tell us how many stamps we need to stick on this envelope.
How will he know?
He will weigh the letter and then tell us. If the letter is heavier, we have to paste a stamp of a bigger amount. If the letter is lighter, then we can paste a stamp of a smaller amount. First, the uncle will weigh the letter. We can then buy the stamp for the amount required and paste it on the envelope and then post it in the post box.
Oh, that will be fun to see how the post office uncle weighs the letter. Oh, Chinu, who is that auntie wearing a white coat?
Oh, she is the doctor auntie. She is very sweet. Come, let us go and say good morning to her. Good morning, Doctor Auntie.
Good morning, Meenu. Good morning, Chinu. Who is this little friend?
Auntie, he is our friend, Buzz.
What is in your hands, Auntie?
Auntie, Buzz keeps asking questions.
Oh, that's okay, Chinu. These are chlorine tablets. If you put these tablets in water, the water gets purified.
Water gets purified?
Auntie, look now, Chinu is asking questions.
It's good to ask questions, Buzz. If you don't ask questions, you will never get to know the answers.
Amma boils the water before we drink. She tells that all the bad germs are killed when we boil the water.
That's right. She is an intelligent lady, but not everyone does that. I get lots of patients in the hospital every day who have fallen sick because they drank dirty water. So if you don't boil the water, then you must at least put these chlorine tablets in the water. These tablets clean the water. Come inside, children.
Auntie, can I drink this water? I am thirsty. Is it clean? Yes, Chinu. You can. I am very clean. Doctor Auntie keeps only clean water.
Oh, who is this? A new little friend? Hello, Water Drop. You look nice and clean.
Thank you, Doctor Auntie. You have kept me clean and shining. But all my friends are not as clean as me.
How do they become dirty, Waterdrop?
It is the people who make us dirty. They wash clothes, put garbage and other bad things into rivers, ponds, lakes, wells and seas. Then we get very dirty, just like the garbage.
That is very bad. Doctor Auntie, what happens when people drink dirty water?
They fall sick. Drinking dirty water causes lots of diseases. Some of them are very dangerous. Look at that baby. She has been vomiting and having loose motions since yesterday. She must have drunk some dirty water. Her mother brought her to the hospital last night. Now she is much better.
Auntie, my mother says that when we were small, if we had diarrhea or vomited, she used to give us ORS liquid.
That's very good. It's very important to give ORS liquid when one has diarrhea or is vomiting.
But why, Auntie?
Children, our body needs lots of water to function well. When we have diarrhea or are vomiting, we lose lots of water from the body. Then it is very dangerous. We need to make up for all the water that gets lost. So, we need to drink lots of water.
What is ORS then?
It is not enough if we drink just plain water. Our body needs strength also. If you notice, when we have diarrhea or are vomiting, we get very tired.
Yes, Auntie. Once I had lots of diarrhea. I got very tired and weak. I couldn't get up from my bed and go to school.
Oh, Chinu, that must have been just like that. You like to sleep.
No, Buzz. He must have been very tired. That's why we have to mix some salt and sugar in the water before we drink. It helps us gain our strength.
Auntie, I saw Ma making it for Chinu. She first boiled some water and then cooled it. Then took a glass of water, added a pinch of salt to it and also a teaspoon of sugar. The drink was ready. She made Chinu sip it slowly.
That is the best thing to do, Meenu. One should drink this or take ORS mixture. ORS is also just that. It has salt and sugar in it.
But where do we get ORS?
ORS packets are available free of cost in all government hospitals. People should make use of that.
So people can get diarrhea or begin to vomit if they drink dirty water.
Oh, not only that, Buzz. There are so many other dangerous diseases that can affect people if they drink dirty water. Like typhoid, jaundice, and cholera.
That's right. We all know that drinking dirty water can cause so many diseases, but we do not take any precautions. All we have to do is to be a little careful. That is why I always go and speak to the women in the village and in panchayat meetings, telling everyone to boil and filter water before drinking.
Many a time, people don't clean the vessel in which they keep me. I then become dirty because of the vessel. So, Meenu, Chinu, you should tell everyone to clean the vessels in which they keep water. We will, Water Drop. We will tell everyone. Dr. Auntie, we have to go now. We have to go to the post office to buy stamps and post Papa's letter. Bye, Auntie.
Bye, children. Be careful only to drink clean boiled water and tell your friends also.
Yes, Auntie. Bye.
Meenu, can I also come with you? I want to see a village. Yes, Waterdrop. Come, jump onto my hand. Oh, look at that. Water is getting wasted. Sheenu, will you please close the tap? Thank you, Cheenu. I was in the city before coming to your village. There is so much a water problem there that people have to stand in a queue and wait for the water lorry to come. They fight so much for water and even get hurt.
People are funny, Waterdrop. Somewhere you say they fight for a drop of water, and look there, they also waste water.
Waterdrop, even we have water problems in summer months. The wells and rivers in the village go dry. People have to walk miles and miles in the heat to get one pot of water.
But Waterdrop, why do you do this? You should be available everywhere. You are troubling people.
But I don't trouble people, Buzz. They trouble me. I will be very happy to be available if people take care of me. I know, Waterdrop. We can't do anything without you. People can't live without you, but still they waste and make you dirty. I know. It is very sad. I know it is very difficult in summer months for people to get water. Oh, look! That is my friend Rani's grandmother. Let us go and help her. She is carrying a heavy bucket of water. Good morning, Auntie. I will help you.
Thank you, Meenu. Oh, this water problem. We never had this problem when I was young. Now there is so much problem everywhere.
Oh, so you didn't have water problems when you were young?
No, we did not. Even now the water problem in villages can be solved. I have become very old now. I cannot do much. But you children can help get lots of water in our village.
We can help get water? But how?
I will tell you how. I was in Karnataka before, in a small little village.
Karnataka? Where is Karnataka?
Oh, Buzz. You don't know anything. Okay, come with me. Look at that uncle selling maps. I will show you Karnataka on the map of India. Auntie, please don't start the story. Wait for us.
Okay, Chino. I will wait for you and Buzz.
Look, Buzz. This is the map of India. And this is Karnataka. It is a state in southern India.
Oh, now I know where Karnataka is. Come, let's go and listen to the story now.
Okay, children. Now I will tell you a story. That small village had wells, but no water. During rainy months, little water would get filled in those wells. The rest of the months, the whole village was dry. There was no water for the people, crops, and animals. Farmers could not grow anything. So people started leaving the village. Children had to leave school and go with their parents.
That is very sad, Auntie. But where did the people go?
Oh, they went to nearby towns. But most of them could not find jobs. They were very sad. There were some children in the village who were very intelligent like you all. They heard the elders in the village say that it was not like that when they were young. The children then joined together and made a group. They went and spoke to the village panchayat. The elders said that there was a big tank near the village which used to be filled with water all the time. It used to be filled with fish and had lots of trees around it. So the children went to see the tank. It was completely dry. It had some cracks also. There were no trees around the tank. Then, with the help of some elders from the village, they planted lots of plants. They repaired the cracks. The rains came. The plants started growing. The tank began to fill with water. The children put lots of fish into the tank. They took care of the tank with lots of love. In 2 or 3 years, all the wells, lakes, and ponds of the village began to fill with water. The village did not have any more water problem. So people start coming back to the village. They were very happy.
Oh, Auntie, that was so good. The children of that village were very intelligent. That's right, Meenu. I have been to many villages in different states. Those villages never used to have water problems years ago. But now trees are cut, and because of that there is very little rain, and so there is lot of water problem. But people are now doing good things to bring back rain and take care of water. Like the children of the village in Karnataka. Meenu, even we will form a group with all our friends. We will go and talk to the village panchayat and other elders and ask them how it was before. We will try and work to bring more water to our village. Auntie, that was a very interesting story. Thank you. We have to go to the post office now. Bye, Auntie.
Bye, children. Make your group quickly. You can take Rani in your group too.
We will surely take Rani in our group, Auntie. Bye. Meenu, you go to the post office and buy stamps. I have to go to the toilet. It's very urgent. Okay, go to the toilet near the post office.
Hey Chinu, why are you closing your nose?
It is very dirty and smells bad in the toilet.
But the toilet in our home does not smell bad.
That's because we keep it clean.
Oh, now when you form a group, you should teach people how to keep these toilets clean also.
That's a good idea, Buzz. If people use dirty and smelly toilets, they can fall sick. Friends, do you wash your hands after going to the toilet? You should. Always wash your hands after going to the toilet. Is there a toilet in your home and school? Are they clean? I have always noticed that the toilets in many railway stations and bus stands are not clean like the ones at home. I don't like to use them. But when we form our group, we will teach people to keep all the toilets clean. That's right, friends. We are going to work for our village with our friends. We are going to form a group today itself. We are going to try and bring more water to our village. We will try and plant more trees. We will tell everyone to keep all the toilets clean also. Friends, this will be very interesting. Why don't you also form a group with your friends? We will try and make our village green and happy.
Shall we match the following friends? To clean water, we must boil it. ORS, vomiting or diarrhea. Chlorine tablet. Clean water. Drinking unclean water. Causes diseases. Utensils in which water is kept. Must always be clean and covered. To clean water, we must boil it. ORS, vomiting or diarrhea. Chlorine tablets. Clean water. Drinking unclean water. Causes diseases. Utensils in which water is kept. Must always be clean and covered. Shall we answer these questions now? Friends, will you take out your notebook and pencil to write the answers? Where do you get your drinking water from? Is the water you drink clean? Who cleans it? How can drinking water be cleaned? Boiling and filtering by using chlorine tablets. How does water in the rivers and lakes become dirty? People make the water dirty by washing clothes, throwing garbage, bathing animals, and by throwing chemical waste into the rivers and lakes. What happens when a person has vomiting or diarrhea? The body loses lots of water. Is it good to give ORS when a person has vomiting or diarrhea? Yes. What else can you give to a person who has diarrhea or vomiting? A glass of boiled and cooled water with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. This is the same like giving ORS. This mixture has to be given frequently. Why is it important to give ORS when a person has diarrhea? When a person has diarrhea, the body loses a lot of water. This is dangerous because the body needs lots of water to function properly. So to make up for all the water loss, the person has to be given ORS. Where can we buy ORS? There is no need to buy ORS. ORS packets are available free of cost in all government hospitals and village health centers. Shall we help Butterfly fill in the blanks? You should drink water only after it. You should drink water only after boiling it. Tablets also help clean the water. Chlorine tablets also help clean the water. Drinking dirty water causes and drinking dirty water causes typhoid, jaundice, cholera, and diarrhea. People dirty water by and in rivers, lakes, and ponds. People dirty water by throwing garbage, washing and bathing in rivers, lakes, and ponds. It is important to give when one has diarrhea. It is important to give ORS when one has diarrhea. We must keep our clean. We must keep our toilets clean. We must our hands after using the toilet. We must wash our hands after using the toilet. Our body needs to function properly. Our body needs water to function properly. You should drink water only after boiling it. Chlorine tablets also help clean the water. Drinking dirty water causes typhoid, jaundice, cholera, and diarrhea. People dirty water by throwing garbage, washing and bathing in rivers, lakes, and ponds. It is important to give ORS when one has diarrhea. We must keep our toilets clean. We must wash our hands after using the toilet. Our body needs water to function properly. Friends, will you tell loudly whether the following statements are true or false? You can send a letter without a stamp. False. Chlorine tablets help to clean water. True. Boiling water kills germs and cleans the water. True. Drinking unclean water does not harm us. False. ORS is given when one has vomiting or diarrhea. True. Diarrhea makes us weak and tired. True. Typhoid, jaundice, and cholera are dangerous diseases caused by drinking unclean water. True. We must not waste water. True. We must keep our toilets clean. True. We should plant more trees. True. Friends, can you draw a picture of where you get your drinking water from? Is it a hand pump? Well, river, tap, lake, or something else?